outside the door telling him what he's doing wrong. Oh, damn. Bit number 4. Fuck. Yeah.
Bed looks good.
Nope. Just heat it right up.
Keep spraying water out. Keep it cool.
It's cool.
That's what I'm saying. Keep spraying water out.
Torch the fucking ends.
Just in that last dig. God, you're almost all the way through too. The last cut, it fucks up.
Of course it does. Which side did it start to fail on? The far side? Were you paying attention? Shit. You got it all over you. Okay, what do you got for him, Tony?
One potato chip and a beer with the onion dip.
Oh.
Here, Chris. Well, come on, it's getting warm.
Let's not done with this.
Nah, it'll get done without you.
We bring offerings of food and beverage.
Yeah, 8 chip and a beer. Smoking a big 8.